Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to empty recycle bin or delete recycle bin on Samsung messages. So if you have a Samsung messages on your phone, or you choose to set the Samsung messages app as a default, and now you want to empty the recycle bin or delete your Samsung messages recycle bin, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to empty or delete Samsung messages recycle bin, all you need to do is go ahead and open the messages application. Once open the messages app, click on the three dots. Now go ahead and select recycle bin. Then here you see your recycle bin. Mark you, messages in the recycle bin will be permanently deleted after 30 days. So if you don't want to delete the recycle bin yourself, you can just wait for another 30 days maximum for the messages in the recycle bin to be deleted. However, to empty the recycle bin or delete the messages in the recycle bin yourself, you can either click on it one after the other and click on delete, or click on edit at the top right, choose select all, come here, tap delete all, and then tap delete from the pop to delete all the messages in the recycle bin. At the same time, you can also come here, click on block. You will no longer be able to receive calls or messages from these numbers. Also delete conversation. So this is going to delete the conversation and also block messages from this contact. However, if you want to only delete or empty your recycle bin, just go ahead and click on delete all. And then click on delete from the pop, and then you're good. Then it should say the recycle bin empty. So that's exactly how to empty or delete recycle bin on Samsung messages. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.